Ginger, a versatile and ancient root, offers numerous benefits. Digestive aid relieves nausea, bloating, and indigestion. From soothing stomach issues to anti-inflammatory, reduces pain and swelling in muscles and joints. Ginger's antioxidant properties also protect against cell damage and oxidative stress. Need relief from cold and flu symptoms? Ginger eases congestion, coughs, and sore throats. Women, take note. Ginger soothes menstrual cramps, bloating, and mood swings. Traveling or experiencing nausea. Ginger helps with motion sickness, chemotherapy, and pregnancy-related nausea. Heart health is important, and ginger may help lower cholesterol and blood pressure. Research shows ginger has anti-cancer properties, reducing cancer cell growth and tumour size. Respiratory issues such as asthma and bronchitis. Ginger may help alleviate symptoms. A healthy immune system is crucial, and ginger supports immune function and prevents illnesses. Skin and hair benefits, anyone?